Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you guys sa birthday ko.
Happy birthday.
Okay lang ba sa iyo ang handa ko?
Ako lang.
Let's go. Hello everyone, so it's day 3 here in Iloilo City and we're now in Carles Bangkal Port and we're heading po sa day 3 tour namin to Gigantes Island. The trip from Iloilo City to Carles was approximately 2 to 3 hours po. The weather is somewhat gloomy po and mahangin. So parang sa habagat to. Kumakain siya ng 7-Eleven na ano. So may nagtitinda dito sa Bangkal Port na iced coffee. Magkano yung iced coffee?
39 po.
39. Bangkal Port. Mamaya. Ayan. Yung Bangkal Port. Maghintay na lang po kami ng 9 AM schedule para po sa Gigantes Tour. I'm so excited. Dito po yung docking area po ng Gigantes Tour dito sa Carles, Iloilo City. Ayan. Pero dito po kami ata magsisimula. Ayan. Dito po yung waiting area. Dito yung registration. Dito ka magbabayad ng tour. Ayan. Yung sila naghihintay.
One eternity later.
So we're here na in the boat, ready to go for today's tour, Gigantes Island.
Okay, by the way, just call me Kuya Dondon for your contact for today. And then my turn, the captain boat, Kuya James, and then Kuya Tax. Okay guys, regarding about your island or activity, we have a 6 island. In the morning, 1 island before we go into the accommodation area. First stop, called Pulpandan Islands. You can find the smallest island, and then we have a coconut. That's the first stop. Want you to travel almost 1 hour. Then guys, every island we have a time limit. In the first stop, I'll give you 40 minutes. And then the Lordidan or Finis, we're going to the lunch area. Want you to travel almost 20 minutes only. And then the Lordidan or Finis, we go for the lunch. And then after we have 5 islands, like Kapugogama, you can search this island, Pantiging Sandbar, Little Boracay, and then Antonia, and then Tangki Lagoon. And then the Tangki Lagoon, we have exactly the like cliff jumping area. And then the Antonia Islands, another exactly island.
Your favorite, cliff jumping.
And then your garbage, we have a trash can in the center of the boat. Regarding about your pictorial, to make the captain boat, Kuya James, you are official photographer. And then last word to all of you, don't worry. And I think just like I will all of you. And then guys, the protocol of the Coast Guard, matchmaker already 4:30 already here in the Bangkal Port. And then guys, sometimes we have completable islands because the southwest monsoon or Habagat. I'll give you the name of the completable islands like Tangki Lagoon and then sometimes Little Boracay. Okay guys, the good winners, no more skip island. Sorry guys, punta lang ako. And then don't be shy to ask, we have a right in the boat. Thank you, Tolby.
Thank you.
Okay, 40 minutos.
We're here in Pulpandan Island, kung saan maraming pandan siya. This is Pulo Pandan Island. Ayan. Meron silang mga ano. Ito 50 pesos. Ito. Siyempre mahal.
Customer.
Ito. Meron silang mga chichirya. Yan, bumili yung friend ko ng ano. Coco melon. Oh, sorry. Boko juice. Boko, sir. Sir, boko.
Boko or me? Kumusta yung water? Kumusta ang level ng water? Okay, sasakto lang.
Ang bulubunduking bato ng Pulo
4, 3, 2, 1.
Pulo melon. Hello everyone, so we're here in our second island destination, Higante Sur, and dito kami magla-lunch today. Unfortunately, we need to do it as quick as we can, like 40 to 45 minutes kasi may 5 islands pa kami after this. Wait lang ha, bababa lang ako. Yan, dyan kami magla-lunch. Yan guys. Let's see what we have here. So, may paano sila. Ayan. May pabako truck. May mga tables. May mga doggies.
Guys, pwede lang muna tayo makapupo dito. Gusto mo sila po, pasok na po sa right side. Yung oras naman natin sa loob din. Pag siya makatulog po.
Dali, naka-change outfit. Outfit check! Outfit check! Pack! Pack! Let's get a quick tour sa mga pagkain namin dito. Merong Anli scallops, soft drinks, banana rice, pinarito. Ayan. Ayan guys. Ayan si ate guys. Busy siya na nag-prepare sa aming food for today. Ayan. Init man diha.
Guys, by group lang tayo ha. And then pwede kayo harap-harapan na lang po. And then paki-occupy na lang yung upuan po.
Ayan.
Ilan kayo ma'am? Ilan kayo ma'am?
Thank you guys sa birthday ko.
Happy birthday.
Okay lang ba sa iyo ang handa ko?
Ako lang.
Sana magustuhan yung handa ko ha. Uy!
Avocado sa. Ikaw ang avocado po. Kasi ka pa. Avocado, dalawa avocado. Ikaw mo. How old?
Ay, sawan dyan dyan.
Turning 18. Yung mga visitors ko po sa birthday ko. Ayan. Diba? Oo, galing-galing po yung ibang bansa. Ayun. Ito po yung ano, mga handa ko sa ano sa birthday ko ngayon. Charot. Okay, so tapos na po kami sa aming lunch here in Ligante Sur and we're now heading to our next destination. Salamat naman at lahat ay nakapunta sa birthday ko. Okay guys, so hindi daw pwede sa third destination namin kasi ano siya, mataas yung tubig at saka maalon-alon siya. So hindi siya pwede mapuntahan for now. So, let's proceed to the next destination.
Oh, may pier yan, ilagay. Dapat, no? Sa amin, kaya namin yan, no? Kasi sa inyo ba, baka
maano no,
laglag
slide
kayo,
or
madulas. Kasi
Okay.
kung maganon yung bangka.
Okay po.
So, sa amin lang, safety lang ba?
Oo.
Yung time natin dito, pwede natin idagdag dun sa mas maganda pa.
Okay.
Okay? Kuya Tour Guide, saan tayo? Okay, highlights na tayo, highlights, Kapugaw Gamay. Doon, pwede tayo magtagal doon.
Okay. Let's go.
Kamay na tayo guys ha, yung binayaran nyo na talaga.
Let's go. So we're here in Cabuyao, Gamay, our third destination. Supposedly fourth, pero hindi kaya yung nauna. So, ito yung famous guys sa poster at saka sa Facebook. Yung sa taas doon. Doon kami magpipicture. And look at the view guys. The water is very crystal blue water. Ayan siya guys. Ayan.
Wala lang sila eh.
Ayan guys. Ayan. Yun yung pinaka-famous na ano destination. Ayan. Papunta dun sa taas.
Pero dito mag-start na ba eh? Amo sa isa gikan pila.
Pakita kami guys. Okay guys, so pababa na ako ulit. Nauna na akong bumaba kasi super init talaga at ang hapdi na ng ano ko, ng skin ko. Yung mga friends ko andun pa sa taas, nagpipicture-picture. Hey guys, so we're here now in our next destination, Bantigi Island. It's a sun bar. Alright guys, so we're here in Antonia Island. So I'm so happy because this is my first island tour na hindi masyadong gumagamit na life jacket kasi medyo alam ko nang mag-swim. So parang natuto na akong mag-swim. If you can see my video sa Fantastic Island, dun ko po napag-aralan ang paglangoy. Medyo first timer lang, hindi masyadong expert.
How was it?
Masarap. Dahil sa suka.
Meanwhile,
may VA na namang nahagba. Hello everyone, so we're now here po in Iloilo City and we just arrived here from our island hopping in Carles for the Gigantes Island. And andito kami ngayon po sa McDonald's, Iloilo City. Here po sa Mega World, malapit sa Mega World. And we're actually having our dinner para pag uwi namin ng hotel or condo, relax na, shower, and then pahinga. Again guys, I'm so happy that I celebrated my birthday here in Iloilo City, and thank you so much guys for your support and by watching my vlogs and tuning in sa birthday trip ko here. Please continue to support my channel, and please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon po for notification. Anong years to? Ano?
1-year-old and the 18 years old.
Yan.
Yes.
13,593.
Yes.
Oh my God. 18. Anong lasa kaya niyan?
Masarap po. The best. Kasi may award po siya sa San Francisco noong 2017 and 2019.
Award?
Yes.
For anong award?
The best brand.
The best brand. So, ito 1 year. So, for example po, I have a bottle of Emperador. And then, I kept it in my, and then, umabot siya ng 10 years. Iba ba yung process ng pag-kept ng isang
Ano po, pag, example yung bottle is 1-year-old, 1-year-old talaga po yan. Kaya ilang years pa yan sa bottles po. Pero pag sa barrel po, doon po kami nag-age.
Okay. Hindi nagka-count kapag nasa bottle siya. Got it. Okay.
Yes, so that's
Ayan,
our
guys.
famous artist in the Philippines po yan.
Ayan.
Like Romeo.
Oh my God.
Try niyo po yung 18 years old.
Sana may free taste kayo, no? Ito ng ano niya. Ano to?
Soil po. Dito mo siya makikita.
Okay. Wow.
Ito po yung solera po ng 1979 hanggang 2015.
Oh my God. So, yung mga laman yan, ano rin?
Yes.
Okay.
Ang solera po ay pasok na po sa 1 year.
Okay. Wow.
Dito po kami nag-age po.
Okay.
Solera is a 1-year-old, 1 to 3 months, and 3 to 6 months, and 6 to 12 months.
So, ito yung barrel
Yes.
na ano. Spanish.
Kung i-carry niyo po, you can bring 1 to 2 liters.
1 to 2 liters.
Ayan. Ito yung makaluma. Luma
Yes,
na.
pang
okay. Pero ngayon, may mga ano na.
Yes.
Mas high-tech na, no?
Yes.
So, dito siya, guys. 1979. Itong ano. Tapos, Soler, Tapos, 1981. 1984. 87. Amazing. So, it's September 1. We're here now sa Iloilo International Airport. And pauwi na po kami ng Cebu. So, isang souvenir lang po yung nabili ko dito sa inyo. At ito yung Taran! Emperador. Ito yung 1 year down na age sa liquor. So, sabi ni ano doon, ni ate, pwede daw siya for less than 1 liter. So long as it is, we bought this today at the during flight namin. So, sana makapasok. So, yan guys, that is actually the end of my vlog here. And please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you so much for the support and watching the video. Until my next vlog. Bye-bye.